In this video, I'll show you how to fix the enhanced sound problem in GTA 5 so you can enjoy better audio without issues. Step 1. Update your audio drivers. Go to Device Manager on your PC. Find Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and install if available. Step 2. Disable Enhanced Audio and Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab. Select your default playback device and click Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements or uncheck any enhancements enabled. Click Apply and OK. Step 3. Adjust GTA 5 audio settings. Open GTA 5 and go to Settings, Audio. Set audio output to your correct device, speakers, or headphones. Lower or turn off audio enhancements or surround sound if enabled. Step 4. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, wherever you bought GTA 5. Go to your library, right-click GTA 5, and select Properties. Choose Verify Integrity of Game Files to fix corrupted files. Step 5. Restart your PC and game. After applying changes, restart your PC. Launch GTA 5 again and check if the enhanced sound problem is fixed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more GTA 5 fixes and gaming tips.